Hey Beamers, you know me, this is Maria.
Hi!
And we have the news you all been waiting for. Introducing our new product that marks our entry into the world of drifting, the DSworks ANGLE KIT. This is a plug-and-play product for E30, E36 and E46. Here's some details. Chrome moly tubes, TIG welded for maximum durability. Everything is zinc plated for maximum rust resistance. Advanced features: 35mm roll center correction with bump steer correction, 40% faster steering response, 70 degrees of angle, adjustable Ackerman angle position, and precise adjustment of camber and caster. These customization options allow drivers to fine-tune their drifting experience to suit their preferences and driving style.
Customers can also choose the color, adding a personalized touch to their setup. Please be aware that we are a small company with a limited stock, and each new set will be crafted to order. We kindly ask for your patience and understanding.
While we may be new to the drift world, we have anticipated every detail to ensure that our drift angle kit meets the expectations.
We invite you to put your trust in us
And experience the innovation and quality that define our product.